Welcome to the Food Flamingo. In today's video, we're going to be making these amazingly delicious cinnamon raisin slice and bake cookies. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is cream together some softened butter with granulated sugar and brown sugar. I'm using a stand mixer today. You can also use a hand mixer or just a spatula and a bowl. We're going to cream this together until it is light and fluffy, which takes about 2 minutes. Scrape the sides of the bowl as needed, and this is how your mixture should look. Now I'm adding in an egg yolk and some vanilla extract. Mix until it is fully combined. The full recipe will be available in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. Now it's time for the dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, I'm going to sift in all-purpose flour, cinnamon, which is the star of the show in this cookie recipe, and some salt. This recipe is the first of many more fall recipes to come, so make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single recipe. I'm going to give this a whisk, and now we're going to add this into the egg mixture in 2 parts. Here goes in the first part, and now we're going to mix it until it is fully incorporated. Now I'm adding in the remaining flour, and we are going to mix this until it is almost combined. Now it's time to add in the raisins and then mix this until it is fully combined. Make sure you don't over mix this dough, just mix until you no longer see any pockets of flour. Now I'm scraping down the sides of the bowl, making sure everything is fully incorporated. You want to divide the dough into 2 parts and place each half onto a sheet of parchment paper. What we're going to do is work the dough into a log shape. I'm using my hands first, and then I'm going to bring it to the end of the parchment paper and roll up and use it to give it a nice shape. Once you're happy with how that looks, twist the excess parchment paper on the sides and do the exact same with the other half. Now it's time to chill the dough. A quick tip here is to chill the dough in large glasses like this so the cookie doesn't lose its circular shape. While the cookie dough chills, I'm making an optional cinnamon sugar to roll the sides of the cookies in. Once the cookie dough is chilled, you want to go ahead and preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius. Now using a sharp knife, we're going to cut the cookie dough into rounds like so, which are 1/4 inch thickness each. Place the cookies onto a baking tray that's lined with parchment paper. Now I'm going to roll the sides of just some of the cookies in cinnamon sugar and leave some of them plain. These are going to go into the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes until the sides are slightly golden. And here it is, the final product. These cookies not only taste delicious, but they're going to make your kitchen smell amazing as well. They have a slightly crispy exterior with a soft and crumbly interior, and adding the cinnamon sugar on the sides just gives it an extra crunch. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes just like this one, and like the video if you liked it, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.